Don't fall.
The summit. As you can see, nasa likod namin.
Ang Chocolate Hills.
Chocolate Hills of the North.
Yes, Chocolate Hills of the North. We have finally reached the peak and the elevation is worth it.